plug in the USB. Click the yes. Second, start to load. Click the parameter successful. Okay, you can plug the USB. Okay. Then the parameter will be unloaded the touch screen successfully. When you edit the parameter, it total has 60 steps for choose. Then save the receipt. Okay. Save the receipt. Open the receipt. 1. Okay. Then we plug in the USB. Click the USB disk, importer and exporter. True. Click the exporter. Then it will be exported the parameter successfully. Then we delete the receipt. So the machine has no receipt. Then we plug in the USB again. Click the USB disk, importer the parameter. Okay, let's open the receipt. So the receipt has been loaded in the machine again. We can load the parameter some more step, but in the following the step, it will not load the parameter.